So now
Yeah.
I want to know the comparison wala part. Like, why does
Okay.
this happen more than often? Like, I have done this, like the scenario which you explained, it's very uh, personal to me as well, because I have faced this before. We don't
Mhm.
obviously tell this to other people out there that, you know, I'm comparing myself to you, or I'm comparing myself to this specific person. But uh,
Right.
we do that a lot, and we don't realize while we are doing that, but at the same time we don't know how to stop it. So how do you figure that, you know, the journey from knowing
Okay.
that I'm comparing myself to, you know, I need to stop this is just not going to help. So how do
Okay.
you figure that out?
Okay. So, first, do you want me to talk about what is self-comparing and how does it happens
Yeah, like I wanted
from
to
different
know that
aspects?
how does that comparison lead to self-sabotage, and how do you
Okay.
work on it?
Okay. Okay. I will give you two examples about it. Again, Srushti and Srushti, we are going to take her again. Okay. So, as I tell you, Srushti's parent never compare her to anyone. Let's say it happens, but let's say if
Yeah.
her parents are not Indian. Okay. Because Indian parents tend to compare their kids to anyone else. Okay, yes, I will morely focus on Srushti because like I don't feel like there are much Drushtis around ourselves. Like maybe
Yeah.
there are, but yeah, let's focus on the Srushti today. So as we said, कि like comparing. So like let's say कि like एक example लेते हैं. Like Srushti scored 89%. Okay. She want her parents was told her to like you have to score 90+%, but she has scored 89%. The first thing her parent says to her after the results come, वो देख वो शर्मा जी के बेटे को तो 95% पड़ गया, तेरे को तो इतना भी नहीं आता है, तू तो मेरी लड़की हो ही नहीं सकती, तूने ऐसा मेरे तेरे को इतना भी नहीं आता, तेरे में कुछ अक्ल ही नहीं है, लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग विच आर रियली कॉमन इन आवर इंडियन सोसाइटी. लाइक इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम, इट इज काइंड ऑफ वोक्रेटिव वे ऑफ लर्निंग. लाइक पेरेंट्स की वजह से वी लर्न दैट बिहेवियर समवेयर कि लाइक
Right.
वो हमें डिग्रेड करते हैं तो हम खुद को डिग्रेड करना सीख लेते हैं.
Right.
Because we as a in we as like infants we have that tendency of Socratic learning. Like we learn from observing people. That is called, there is an arc of social learning also. Like
Right.
we don't have our own consciousness, so we learn from our parents, right? जो पप्पा मम्मी करेंगे वो सही. So अगर वो बोल रहे कि तू पागल है तो हम पागल है.
Huh.
We like label it in our brain.
Right.
Okay, it is kind of labeling, but which has happened so intensively when we are like really, really at young age. For example, till 14 or 15, that is the age we trying to find our identity and explore. Okay, explore our identities. Okay, that is the stage in that period. So it's like our parents' opinion about ourselves matters to us a lot. Like what our parents think about ourselves. It's like, and you know, in today's generation, these kids, which is our generation, the Gen Zs, like 2000 people, they don't care about what other people think about them. It is all related to our parents.
Yeah.
बस मम्मा पापा अच्छा बोल दे बाकी सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. It's all about that. So okay, let me back to the comparison part. So like सृष्टि के पप्पी पापा ने सबसे पहले उसको बोला कि like क्या है, शर्मा जी का बेटे को देखा है कितना मार्क्स पड़ा, तुमको तो उतना भी नहीं आते, ये 89% लाते तुम मेरे बेटा हो ही नहीं सकते. So this leads to her to have a belief that if I'm not getting something which my parents to be want me to get, then I'm not worthy and I don't deserve to be their kid. Okay. And when our parents say कि like तू मेरा बच्चा हो ही नहीं सकता, that triggers so much to our unconsciousness कि like because they are our primary caregiver, right? And
Yeah.
what did their opinion matters a lot again. Okay, so again that arc comes in comparison. So if like even if it is like mostly I feel like my personal opinion is like comparison is little bit deeply rooted by our parents also. Like
Okay.
what their behavior towards ourselves, it is like comparison का बीज बो चुके हैं तो वो अभी उसका झाड़ भी उगेगा.
Right.
Then the so it's like the comparison अगर and then the comparison comes, then the jealousy arc also comes. Like we tend to make a jealousy about the शर्मा जी का बेटा कि like उसको ही कैसा मिला
Hmm.
about that person. Okay, then this come then for example in our friends also there is a part of comparison कि like if even if we are like Srushti and Drushti are best friends, let's say,
Yeah.
and Srushti has scored 89%, Drushti has scored 98%, then there is a comparison. Ki, oh, she scored more than, so she's better than me. Okay.
Right.
And we like trying to like, oh, she scored nice, so she's better than me. So because our parents are made a belief about themselves कि like तू इतना score नहीं करेगी तो तू अच्छी नहीं है. So she is like made like she has related her worth to this materialistic thing. If she is not achieving this, then she is worthless. She is incompetent. All the negative beliefs like living this.
Okay.
Because our life revolve around the beliefs we made.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Then the arc comes with our friends के बीच में हो जाता है. Then our past past experiences also it came. So like for example, you have scored 90% in our 10th and then you scored 75% in your 12th. पहले मैं अच्छा था, अभी मैं नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैंने कम स्कोर कर लिया. Even if your parents will not say anything about it, but you yourself will be degrading yourself कि like पहले अच्छा था अभी नहीं हूँ. Like even if this you have given best for to get that 75%, you will like you will not acknowledge your efforts even if you have done your best, but you have not scored पहले जैसा ना. So it doesn't work. It's not worth it. Okay. And what was the second part of the question? Like how we solve it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing advice will be according to my personal preference. Personal advice will be like to start getting therapy. Like get help, guys, from professional peoples, not Instagram influential. Like psychology says this, and they're online. You know the people are available there, like mind helpers, like what real mental health practitioners, like they term themselves. But you know there is the term called in Instagram also. It is that like try to find a genuine professional help, not something you read on internet. Okay. So the first thing will be that, yeah, because the term therapy has a lot of taboos around it. Like it is for only for abnormal people, not normal people. But I can reassure you, for me myself being in this field, like it is not like that. Even me myself, I seek therapy. Even though I belong to a psychological background, it is essential because it helps us to acknowledge and be so self-aware about yourself. Like it is going to help you a lot, I tell you. So yeah, that then the second point will be become aware about yourself. It starts about starting reflecting about what your thoughts are. So let's take an example. Okay, so when Srishti has this thinking about कि like शर्मा जी की बेटी को 90% like sorry दृष्टि को 90% कैसे मिला और मेरे को so 98% कैसे मिला फिर 98 में. What is the first thought? कि oh she got more than me, maybe she is better than me. Then she should sit and acknowledge the thought कि where it is coming from. Like why am I thinking like this? Like but she should be aware like कि like वो अलग इंसान है. She has अलग background. उसके मम्मी पापा अलग है. वो अलग background में बड़ी हुई है. उसके अलग problem है. वो अलग है. And I am afraid. I am different. Like मेरे मम्मी पापा भी अलग है. Like to talk in really lame and lame language, so people should understand. People will understand. Like they both are different individual, and there are really like long reinforces line like long reinforces list is behind them. Like what made them stand there and become that person. So it's like somewhere like the comparison game comes when the game of being better comes in. Like who is the better person? Okay. So like the Srishti has the thought like, oh, she got that, she's better than me. So she should sit and trace back the thought. Like, why am I thinking like this? What is the reason why am I thinking like this? So that is called as being tracing the pattern and becoming self-aware. Like, I am having this pattern. Like I am comparing. She should be aware because this comparison is so like we have normalized it. Like we tend to do it. Like every other person you will find will compare himself to someone else. For example, even with our body types. Let's talk about that also.
That's very common.
Like yeah, but and it is like so common and mostly in girls I'm going to talk about. Like me myself also, I try to compare the people like models I see on Instagram. Like they have this leans, like big breast size and big hips and like having really good skin and like having like a really good jawlines and all. And then I see myself in my mirror. And I'm like, oh my god, they are so pretty and I am not even pretty. Like, what if I also has to have that thoughts about myself, like, oh, they are so pretty. I'm maybe I'm not that beautiful enough to like call, because I'm not sitting in that standard. Like, then somewhere my therapist helped me to understand, like, they are different people. Their life circumstances are different. Their whole job depends on their body figure. Like, their body is their face for their job as models. Okay. And my body is also important, but there are other factors also, because I am not modeling. I am pursuing something else. So that is going to be my highlight. That is their highlight. Obviously, they are going to like really, really enhance it. That doesn't mean you can't enhance it and all. But it is, I'm talking about here is about focus about it. Like, their main focus is on that. My main focus is about being psychologist and helping people. Okay. So there is a different arc in then also. कि like वो
हाँ.
model है, मेरे को psychologist बनना है. But तो भी I have this because we have that comparison ki, like, oh my god, she's so beautiful and I can't be. So it's like she told me, like, when you don't have similar background, similar things you are related to, the your emotions you feel are different, then why it is there ki you have to compare yourself with other? Why can't you just accept ki you are this and your body is this? Like, even the stretch marks, even the belly fat, even the thigh fat, even everything pimples, like having long hair, short hair, bushy eyebrows, mustache, anything, it's you only.
Yeah.
She gets like the model gets the best treatment in the world. Like, she gets this spas and that and goes to best nutritionist and all. And she gets that because that is her face and that is her work. She has to be really, really dedicated to that self because that is her profile. My profile is something different. I'm focusing on helping people. So I will. So focus ही अलग है ना. So why
Right.
am I comparing?
Right.
Yeah. So I'm giving my personal opinion, personal experience on it. So maybe that would help because people will find it relatable.
Right.
So yeah, as woman also, like the marks comparison is there, body comparison is there. You know that financial background comparison is also there.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
very.
Yeah, because if she's, and then we have that thought of like me, and then that comparison comes with like, oh, maybe she had that, that's why I didn't had that. So like खुद को तसल्ली देने के लिए we do something. For
Right.
example, समझ like Drishti is little bit richer than Srishti. Oh, her father is little bit richer ना, maybe her father has done something to the board, that's why she got it. So खुद को रिहर्सल देने के लिए तसल्ली देने के लिए with negatively भी हम लोग we try to think about that person. That are also come in this. Okay. Then there is self acceptance about it. Like I previously talked about being self aware. What are you thinking? What are you? And what are your negative points? What are your positive points? What are your strengths? That is being self aware. Then is self acceptance. Like acceptance is plays a really important part in a human life. If you can't accept yourself, then again the Roger wala. You are hanging in between. You can't be real self. You can't be like you reach your actual self. You are like hanging on a rope. You're like swinging here and there, and being fearful. Like, oh my god, people can't know this. Why am I this? Like, for example, there is also arc of if you are being really, really like pretty and everything, you can't be weird. You have to be like really classy. We
Yeah.
talk like this and be like this, like to dress like this. And something opposite of that behavior is not acceptable
Right. Right.
because we have that labels on ourselves कि उसके सिवा कुछ भी behavior it is not relevant, it is not acceptable.
Like we have
So
created
the
a
acceptance,
stereotype that we are supposed to fit into it, and
yeah,
yeah, no matter like
yeah,
how much we try, even if there is something different apart from it, we are going against ourselves and the society. So this isn't
yeah,
right. And then that is how the whole
yeah,
sabotage loop starts, and then it's a whole vicious cycle in itself.
yeah. That is start. Then it start. Yeah. That is self acceptance and like self acknowledges. Then acknowledging it. Like, yeah, this is happening with me. Like I have to do something about it and then working on it. And there is a big answer to it. First of all, accept the acceptance parts also plays a like हमारा 20 to 30% गेम वहां हो जाता है जब वे accept ourselves. Like accept कर लिया ना तो हम आधी जंग जीत जाते हैं. क्योंकि the hardest thing the person can do is accept him the way he is, even with the positives, even with the negatives. You know, it is so hard. Like it takes like years and years of therapy for person to accept that negative trait. Even if he has a 99 positive traits or negative trait की वजह से he will not accept himself. कि like नहीं.
So one more question that I have is
Okay.
that since since we have been talking about perfectionism and how it's linked to self-sabotage, is it somewhere related to procrastination itself? Because procrastination is the direct behavior that is being observed if you are a perfectionist. So like I
Right.
personally have felt this. Like today I was supposed to do a task, but I've been putting it off, and I was like कि नहीं अभी 9:30 करूंगी, फिर उसके बाद अभी 9:30 का ऐसे 9:35 हो गया है, तो फिर मैं 10 बजे करने बैठूंगी, बिकॉज you have this perfectionist
Yeah.
mentality, and then you end up procrastinating on your task, and then 2 hours later you realize अरे यार मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं, and I could have
Yeah.
done this, I could have been better, or I could have contributed a little bit towards my goals. What am I doing with my life? And then the whole loop starts. And so I just want to
Yes.
know if there is some sort of link between self-sabotage and procrastination as well.
Yes. Yes. Because it is like directly linked to it. So before that, then I will tell you a term which is really, really important to know self-sabotaging and relationship with procrastination. It is called as self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay. So as I told before, ki like our life revolved around the belief we made throughout
Right,
our life.
right.
Okay. So there are some negative beliefs and there are some positive beliefs about ourselves. So let's take it Srushti ka example. Srushti have a lot of negative beliefs. Ki she is worthless, she is useless, she is incompetent, she is not beautiful, she is not worthy. Okay. So these are the belief about herself she has. Okay. So self-fulfilling prophecies means, as you know, self-fulfilling मतलब the prophecy खुद से fulfill करने वाले beliefs. Easy language में. Let's take a example of a Srushti. Like she has a deadline. Like or let's say कि she have an exam coming.
Okay.
Okay, or she has a deadline to do, and it is like tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
And she has a belief कि like she is incompetent of things.
Okay.
She can't do anything. She has a belief. And to as a tomorrow she has an exam. And she has that belief कि like she is incompetent. Even if she study, it is not going to happen. So the behavior will influence. उसका belief की वजह से influence behavior क्या होगा कि वो पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी. And that पढ़ाई नहीं करेगी involves procrastination.
Right.
For example, तो वो पढ़ाई नहीं. So the previous day she will do it like sit and do anything but her study. She can do any useless stuff, like even she will go and count the grades. This procrastination also happens. Like the thoughts, like there are random things, like she will zone out, or she will watch reels. She will engage in distracting behaviors. Something that will distract her from the study. It is called as procrastination. Like distracting from our what we want to achieve. Distraction is called as procrastination. According to me, what I have understand according to.
Right.
Okay. So it's like she will engage in behavior like she will watch Netflix का show, which is not even like कभी भी कर सकती है, एग्जाम के बाद भी कर सकती है, पर उसको अभी करना है, अभी कुछ है ही नहीं. She will do anything but study. फिर
Right.
उसका आउटकम बिहेवियर क्या होगा कि वो फेल हो जाएगी क्योंकि उसने पढ़ा ही नहीं है. And then वो फेल हो जाएगी, will give a validation to her belief कि she is incompetent. So our life is all about validating the belief for the self-sabotaging person. Okay. It is like validating the belief she already has. It's like उसको evidence देना है बस. उसके लिए वो कुछ भी करेगी.
So that
Because she don't
evidence
want to
plays
make.
a big role in the validation. Like for instance,
What, what?
hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Continue. Yes, yes.
So I think evidence plays a big role here, because sometimes we set a goal and we work hard, but uh, when we don't see the results quick, we tend to give up
Yes.
easily, and that is why
Yes.
the whole
Yes.
thing starts again.
Yes. There is also, we can give an example about someone called as Srishti. Let's say like take Srishti want to has her own graphic designing firm. Okay. Let's take an example.
Okay.
Okay. Srishti okay, like oh like do you want me to take a different example?
No, no,
Or
please
you are
go
okay
ahead.
with it?
No, no, I'm all right with it.
Because you are also into graphic designing. So I'm going to deliberately take this.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Not yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's take a Srishti want to open her graphic designing a firm. But it's like she has done everything like to like be and deserve on that part, like to deserve and do deserve matlab all the deserving tasks to achieve the thing. Okay. But Srishti had a really strict parents when she was growing up. Okay. And her worth was always related to her accomplishment. Okay. And that made her believe ki, like if I am not worthy person if I don't achieve this. Okay. So let's say ki when she is doing some task, something goes wrong. Okay. The first thought that Srishti will have in her brain, will be like, I don't work, I don't deserve this. I can't even do this, right? Why am I doing this? Then this will lead to her behavior कि like वो आगे का काम ही नहीं करेगी. She will start to procrastinate. कि like even she knows कि like she is a good at it, but that belief कि I am useless and I am incompetent will not make her do anything. She'll be like even if she is like the most worthiest person of the person on the world to do that task, but her own belief will be a block her to achieve that thing. Okay.
Got it. Got
Then there is also a term called as learned helplessness, which we people also tend to do. It's like let's get example कि when you have when you know you can get a job. Okay. कि तुम्हें पता है कि you are worthy and you have learned everything. तुमको सब आता है, तुमको जॉब मिल जाएगा, पर you have a belief कि you are useless.
Okay.
Okay, you have a belief कि you are useless, so you will go and even little bit वाला thing wrong हो जाएगा ना, तुम पूरा इंटरव्यू मैसअप करके आओगे because you feel कि इसके बाद कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, सब wrong हो चुका है and everything is wrong. Like we have that basic tendency, like if we are doing something and we are like focused to it, पर थोड़ा सा गलती हो गया, we like scrap everything, throw it, and I'm like we settle with it and like नहीं हो रहेगा मेरे से, ये मेरे से नहीं होएगा. And we learn this helplessness throughout. Like we tend to do it so often because it's like it helps us to validate our belief. Again, it is all about validating the belief which we had. And you know, somewhere I internally feel that people don't have guts to like, you know, acknowledge what are their negative traits and
Most of
positive traits.
Yeah, I have experienced this firsthand as well, and I'm pretty sure most of them who are watching this video would have done the same. That you know, matlab, somewhere down the line we have that hunch, कि नहीं, जो हो रहा है वो गलत हो रहा है, but we are just not quite ready to actually face it, that this is wrong, and because we are too comfortable with what has been happening for a long.
Yeah,
So to get out of it is
yeah,
a whole new process itself again, and then you have to go through the pain of becoming a new person altogether.
yeah,
Changing that behavior. So I think that is why people
right.
don't tend to acknowledge it, because they know
Yeah,
they'll have to change, and that change is hard. And
yeah,
I we are generally very used to being comfortable where we are. So
yeah. Like the same thing I told, like the learned helplessness, like people can do it, but their belief make them feel कि like क्यों ही करूँ, अगर मेरे से मैं useless हूँ तो मैं क्यों करूँ.
right.
And it is like so hard to like it takes a lot of gun to confront ourselves. And
Yeah.
it's like people can't stop engaging in this behavior, like it is a pattern, like खुद control नहीं कर पाते अब तक, जब तक you sit with it and acknowledge it and accept it, the pattern will still pull you. It is like a spiral. If you take, like, it is going to pull you down, 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 down.